guys, welcome back to our blog. I hope you guys are doing well. You are seeing this road and all the greenery. Just can't imagine that after few days this place will be covered with snow. You must be wondering why this blog is starting with the videos of apples and sunflowers. We have suddenly planned for a day in Hamilton, which is almost 50 minutes away from Mississauga. This apple orchard is situated just on the side of the highway. We didn't have to book or reserve before. As you can see on arrival, you can book the tickets and here are the details. The peak time for apple picking season is usually September and October.
Hi guys, so we have come to the sunflower picking and the apple picking, and we can even pick pears from here. So this is the first experience which we are having. So we came as usual with our friends, and let me show you the view.
After seeing this beautiful sunflowers, it reminded me of Denver. In Denver, almost 2 years back, we went to a sunflower field and clicked few pictures there and enjoyed a beautiful sunset. You guys must surely agree that sunflower field with all the sunflowers look magical during sunset.
Yeah, and now we'll be going to pick the apple. Pretty excited guys, this is my first time, so let's see.
Here is me picking up few apples. By the way guys, this apple farm really amazed me, as I was really not knowing that there are so many different varieties of apples. Did you know that there are 7,500 varieties of apples in existence throughout the world, and 2,500 of which are grown in United States? I have found a great link which I have left in the below description box. In this site, for example, you can see like Red Delicious, it's crunchy and mildly sweet and it's great for salads. Then Gala, it's excellent for salad and making sauce, while it's very good for making pie or baking. Imperial Gala. I never heard this name of an apple. I just heard few names before like Fuji, Honeycrisp, Golden Delicious. I think that's all. So many apples were just lying in the ground. I wonder and hope that these apples do not get wasted. I would be really sad if that happens, but I hope that they pick up all the fresh ones by end of the day. And by the way, do you know that we do have a National Apple Day too, which is 21st October. Okay, now let me eat one of them and do not disturb me. It was so fresh and juicy and crispy, guys. So, as I said before, this whole orchard is so big that you can cover the whole area by riding on these tractors. এইটা করে ঘুরলে পুরো গাঁয়ের ফিলিং চলে আসবে। Unfortunately, because of COVID, আমরা চড়তে পারিনি, but দারুণ একটা এক্সপেরিয়েন্স হতো। And now pears এর গাছ। By the way, তোমরা কি জানো, pears are good for your heart as they are high in potassium and fiber. Both apples and pears contain pectin, a fiber that nourishes gut bacteria. তোমাদের কোনটা বেশি ভালো লাগে, অ্যাপল या pears? নিচে কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানাবে।
We were looking at the pears and the apples. So pears also have different varieties, but somehow we feel that the pears are not yet ripened properly, or we found that the quality of the apples were far good than the one from the pear. So we didn't take much pears, we just took few apples.
এটা হলো few apples এর নমুনা। So in the end, we saw these two cute ponies having their food. And we also saw children were enjoying in this and playing on the hay. We noticed these cute little miniatures here. They look so cute and adorable now. We also saw people were having corn. We didn't have because we had a late lunch and our tummy was already full. Then at the end, we came to the cash out store where we have to pay for the apples which we picked. So thank you for watching our vlog. Please like and subscribe to our channel. This will really motivate us to come up with the new content. We love you. Bye.